Hidden losses in industrial furnaces and how to eliminate them. Is your furnace really operating at peak efficiency or just appearing to? In most industrial facilities, furnaces are the heart of production. But what if I told you that even a well running furnace could be silently draining 10 to 30% more energy than necessary? That is not just energy loss, that is direct profit loss. From excess fuel consumption to inconsistent heating patterns and unplanned downtime, these inefficiencies do not just affect operations. They impact your bottom line, customer satisfaction, and compliance readiness. In this session, we will break down where these inefficiencies come from and more importantly, how you can systematically eliminate them. Now, second is understanding furnace inefficiencies. Let us start with the fundamentals. Industrial furnaces are designed for controlled heating, but over time, performance dips due to multiple operational and design factors. Key inefficiencies include first, thermal losses, heat escaping through furnace walls, doors, and openings due to poor insulation or degraded refractory materials. Second, combustion inefficiency. Incorrect air fuel ratio leads to incomplete combustion or excess air, both of which waste fuel and reduce flame temperature. Third, temperature non-uniformity. Hot and cold zones inside the furnace result in inconsistent metallurgical properties and product defects. Fourth, fuel gas losses. Significant heat energy is lost through exhaust gases when waste heat recovery is not optimized. Fifth, idle and cyclic losses. Frequent start-stop cycles or poor load management increases fuel consumption unnecessarily. Each of these factors alone may seem small, but combined, they create substantial hidden costs. Then, root cause analysis. To solve these issues, we need to go deeper into root causes. Aging infrastructure, refractory degradation, burner wear, and leakage points. Lack of instrumentation, absence of real-time monitoring systems like oxygen analyzers, temperature sensors, and pressure controls. Improper process control, manual adjustments instead of automated control loops. Design limitations, outdated furnace design not aligned with current production needs. Skill gaps, operators not trained to interpret data and optimize performance. Without addressing these root causes, improvements remain temporary and inconsistent. Then engineering solutions and optimization strategy. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we take a holistic and engineering driven approach to furnace optimization. Step 1, energy and performance audit. We conduct detailed thermal process audits to identify loss points, quantify exactly where energy is wasted. Step 2 is combustion optimization, calibration of burners, optimization airflow ratios, reducing excess oxygen levels. This alone can significantly reduce fuel consumption. Then step 3, heat recovery systems. Implementation or optimization of recuperators and regenerators to recover waste heat and improve overall efficiency. Step 4, insulation and refractory improvement. Upgrading insulation materials and sealing leakage points to minimize heat loss. Step 5, automation and control systems. Introducing PLC oblique SCADA based controls for temperature uniformity, fuel flow regulation, predictive maintenance. Step 6, ISO and system implementation. We integrate ISO and management systems not as documentation but as operational tools to ensure consistency, traceability, and compliance. Step 7, workforce training. We train your team to understand process parameters, respond to deviations, maintain optimized conditions consistently. This ensures that improvements are not one time but sustainable. Measurable business impacts. Now let us talk about results because in industry outcomes matter. With the right intervention, organizations typically achieve 10 to 25% reduction in fuel consumption, improved temperature uniformity and product quality, reduction in rejection and rework, lower maintenance cost and downtime, stronger audit readiness and compliance. These improvements directly translate into higher profitability and competitive advantage. Why practical consulting matters? One of the biggest gaps in the industry is the difference between theoretical recommendations and practical implementation. At URGS International, we focus on soft floor execution, measurable KPIs, real-time improvements. Because strategies only matter when they deliver results in actual operations. So if you are operating industrial furnaces, the question is not whether inefficiencies exist, the question is how much are they costing you today. The good news is these losses are measurable, controllable and reversible. Now is the time to take a data-driven approach and unlock hidden efficiency in your operations. Connect with us to explore how we can support your further optimization and business growth. Our email ID is info@urgs.eng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Let us transform your furnace operations from cost centers into performance drivers. Thank you.